The BMW Motorrad Vision K18 made one of the biggest impressions at the 2026 Concorso d'Eleganza wildest, and it instantly became one of the most talked about motorcycle concepts of the year. BMW Motorrad used the legendary Lake Como event to reveal a machine that looks more like a futuristic aircraft than a traditional motorcycle, and that is exactly what makes it so interesting. At the center of the Vision K18 is BMW's famous 1.8-liter inline six-cylinder engine. Instead of hiding the powertrain, BMW built the entire motorcycle around it. The engine becomes the visual centerpiece, stretching across the bike, with an aggressive and dramatic design that feels both classic and futuristic at the same time. The first thing most people noticed was the incredibly low and long silhouette. The motorcycle sits close to the ground and has a sharp front section that almost resembles the nose of a jet fighter. BMW designers clearly wanted the Vision K18 to feel emotional and powerful even while standing still. Every angle of the motorcycle seems carefully sculpted to create motion and tension. BMW also added several design details inspired by the inline six-cylinder engine layout. The bike features 6 exhaust outlets, 6 lighting elements, and multiple repeating shapes that celebrate the six-cylinder configuration. It is a small touch, but it gives the concept a very unique personality. The materials used throughout the bike are equally impressive. Forged carbon fiber aluminum bodywork and premium finishes help the Vision K18 look more like a handcrafted piece of industrial art than a normal motorcycle. Even the cockpit feels futuristic while still maintaining the luxury atmosphere expected from BMW Motorrad. What makes the Vision K18 stand out most is that BMW did not simply create another concept bike. Instead, the company created a statement about emotion design and the future of luxury motorcycling. Whether this motorcycle ever reaches production or not, it already succeeded in getting enthusiasts around the world talking about BMW Motorrad in a completely different way.